desmos. So guys, I have to rotate the screen. X. Simple. X plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 8. This is very far out. There. Guys, I'll teach you how to make a circle. I made a circle. Anyways, no need to fun. There, let's just make a square circle. Oh my gosh, let's put a slider. Oh, I can now control the size. Let's set the min to 0 and the max to 10. And then guys, I'm gonna add x plus y plus x to the power of 2. And then we'll add an equal sign to make 5. And then this should be linked to A. And then it should connect. Oh no, the circle is too big. So let's only make 5. 2, 4. One divided by 5. A is equal to 5 to exp x 5 2. And then add that as slider. And then just remove it, and then we add x. Then all the same, but multiplied. So we just connect it back to A minus 52 exp x. Now we get an impossible shape. Oh, and we add plus. And then something's gonna appear here. And then it will do add x. What is it? X? Oh my gosh, I just learned it. X negative. So everything is connected to A. So we add this and then this. Now look at this animation. Look at this. Look at this, Mama. It's a pulsing ambient light. And then we just add x minus x and negative x. And we should also add this is just the same. If you add data, it says too many values. And x equals this one. Oh, let's make a filled circle. So that's how you make same ambient light. Look at that little animation. So we should add. What is negative x do? Negative. Y. Huh? So we add x equals first. And then we got this. So that's not good. So we should make this a little bit extra. So we have x2. Delete this. So that's how you make a pulsing ambient light in desmos.